What if you could watch me build an entire independent freight dispatching agency from absolute zero, starting November 1st, and copy every single move that I make? Me building a brand new agency live in real time with nothing but computer and phone. The same tools you have right now. Hi, my name is Kamal. Over the past 7 years, I've taught thousands of people how to become independent freight dispatcher and start their independent freight dispatching agencies. But here's what I've never done. I've never built one from scratch with no brand, no reputation, no shortcuts, documenting every single step for people to watch. Until now, on November 1st, I'm starting a brand new dispatching agency, and you are going to be behind the scenes watching me choosing business name, registering it, building the brand, and finding carriers, cold calling brokers, closing deals, get paid, and scale. Every move, every mistake, every win. In real time, you're going to watch me doing it. And while I'm building mine, you're building yours right alongside me. That means your independent freight dispatching agency. That's what this is, and that's why this has never been done before, and that's why you need to pay close attention right now. Let me be honest with you. You probably tried buying courses, right? You watched videos, YouTube videos, take notes, and then you're stuck. You're trying to figure out how to start this independent freight dispatching business from scratch. You are alone, guessing if you are doing it right, hoping it works. Or maybe you have bought coaching programs that cost thousands of dollars. Someone tells you what to do, but they're not actually doing it themselves anymore. They built their business 3, 5 years, 7 years ago, and now they're just teaching it. That's not what this is. I'm not teaching you from memory. I'm not giving you a playbook from 2018. I'm building a real dispatching agency from zero starting November 1st, and you're watching me do it. Think about it. The risk is on me. The challenge is for me. The pressure is on me. I'm the one who's doing the cold calling. I'm the getting rejected. I'm the one figuring it out in real time, and you're watching it. And you get to watch it all, learn from it, and apply the exact same moves to your own independent freight dispatching agency. This is the most powerful way you will ever learn, I promise. Not by reading, not by watching old case studies, but by watching someone doing the thing you wanted to do right now, right in front of you, and copying every single move they make. Here's why this matters so much. How long have you been thinking about starting your independent freight dispatching agency? Think about it. 6 months, maybe a year, maybe longer. You tell yourself you're going to do it. You research, you watch videos, and then life happens. You get busy. You don't know where to start, and you stay stuck, obviously. But what if you didn't have to figure it out alone? What if you could just watch someone build exact same business you want and follow along step by step? That's what this is. By January 2026, while everyone else is making a New Year resolution and planning to start something, you already have a business that's running. Think about it for a moment. It's not someday. It's not eventually. It's 3 months from now. Imagine you walk into 2026 not with another broken promise, but with a business that's already moving and generating revenue for your business. Real carriers calling you, real brokers taking your calls, real confidence that you actually did the thing that you kept saying you would do. I can't promise you're going to make millions of dollars. I can't guarantee specific results, obviously. Anyone who tells you different is lying. But here's what I can guarantee. I am building this agency starting November 1st. You're going to watch me do it. You're going to see every step, and you're going to build your independent freight dispatching agency alongside me. If you follow along, you will start. And that's the only guarantee that actually matters, because the only way you fail is if you never begin. So what do you actually get if you sign up before November 1st? Right now, you get immediate access to my complete training program called Uplevel Dispatching, the same program that's helped thousands of people get real results. In the classroom section, inside the program, you will get everything you need from A to Z. You don't need to wait, obviously, until November the 1st. You get ahead of the game. You start learning the foundation today, right now, if you will, and starting November 1st, you're inside the private school community, where I'm documenting this entire independent freight dispatching agency. Multiple updates every week, live coaching sessions where I break down what I did and answer your questions as you're building your own independent freight dispatching agency. Obviously, you're not watching a replay. You're not getting recycled content. You're building side by side with me in real time starting November the 1st. Now, here is the critical part when it comes to enrollment. Enrollment closes November the 1st. That's the day we actually start building. After that, doors are locked. I'm not letting anyone in because everyone needs to be on the same timeline. Very important. Starting together, building together, no exceptions whatsoever. And listen, this is real pressure for me, obviously. I'm putting my reputation on the line. I'm building in front of the people, documenting everything. That's not easy, to be honest with you. But I'm doing it because I know this is what you actually need. Not another course, but real-time proof. That's what you've been looking for. And waking up in 2026, seeing other people running successful dispatching agencies, and realizing you had the chance to build alongside with someone doing it live, and you said no. That's the real risk. Here is what I want you to ask yourself right now. It's October 2025. In 3 weeks, it's November, then December, then 2026 is here. Do you want to start 2026 the same way you started 2025? Still dreaming, still planning, still watching other people doing it you wish you were doing? Or do you want to walk into the new year, which is 2026, with a new business that's already running, with carriers on board, obviously, with deals closed, with the confidence that you finally did it? Imagine you waking up in January 2026. You're not making another resolution. You're not starting from zero. Just think about it. You're already in the game. You're already making moves. You're already building the life that you've been talking about. While everyone else setting goals, you're already living it. That's what's on the other side of your decision. Not someday, not eventually, 3 months from now. I've taught thousands of people all across the globe how to do this. But I've never done this, meaning I never built independent freight dispatching agency from scratch right in front of the audience, and I'm only doing it once. Remember, door closed November 1st, and we start building. If you wait, you're out. If you hesitate, someone else will take your spot. Don't be that person who watches this video, obviously, and in January wishes they had just joined, because by then it's too late. The doors are closed. This is your shot. This is your moment. Click the link, join the community. Let's build something real together starting November 1st. I'll see you on the other side. Let's go.